Kaya nga eh. Jane, huwag mong bilisan. Bibidyohan kita. Jane! Huwag mong bilisan. Lapit ako sa'yo eh. Wait lang. Layo mo pa. Ayan. Nandun pa, nag-record. Habol yan, don't you worry. Ayan, ang ganda ng background mo. Sige, lingon ka mamaya. Wait lang. Very hingal? Nakaka-dry?
Fresh.
Ayan. Hi! Say hi.
Hi, welcome to my vlog.
Yeah, this is what country?
Bhutan.
Okay. What can you say so far?
Amazing.
Lingon ka. Ayan, lingon ka. Ang ganda ng background mo eh. Okay. Do you like it? Do you enjoy it?
Yes, of course.
What does that oxygen taste like? Taste like? Go. This is what country?
Bhutan.
And then, what's the best thing about Bhutan?
Best thing is the carbon negative.
What does that mean, carbon negative?
It means more oxygen.
Oh, compared to carbon. Okay. Ganda oh. Kailangan ganyan nag-walk. Ayan, ganyan ang backdrop ninyo oh. Naglalakad kayo. Back.
Makapano ka dyan? Sige ka,
Yeah.
iwang ka na. Maganda, nakakaganda ng hair dito. Nakakaganda ng skin. Nakakaganda ng skin kasi halata mong malinis talaga yung hangin. Kasi ang ganda ng skin namin. The best.
Tsaka pwede mag-ulit. Pwede mag-ulit ng damit.
Nang hindi nangangamoy.
Okay. Okay. Ikot tayo. Sige. Habang nilalakad kayo, kaway-kaway. Ay ko, late ka na talaga.
Yeah, sort of. Ano na eh, 12:20 na. Start tayo 11:25.
Start?
Yeah.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi! I'm so pretty here.
Wow. Get good skincare. Hi, Paul.
Hello.
Hi. What can you say? What can you say?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Perfect. Buddha. Ayaw magharap. So cold here. Yun. So, we're still hiking or trekking the Gangte, di ba? Countryside.
Pakita mo galing tayo doon.
Yeah, we were here. Yeah, back there at the
Now we're
upper
here.
part. We're here. Ang ganda, nakakaganda ng skin.
Diba?
Oo. So we're at elevation, I don't know, 3,000 something?
3,200.
Oh, 3,200 according to people. So, perfect elevation to hike.
Not too warm.
Not too warm, not too cold. All you need is a light jacket. Oh, it's a vulture. Vulture ba to? I cannot see. Ay, ayan na, wala na. What's that? What's that? Ano? Kinley. Oh my God, it's so big.
It's a big bird.
It's a big bird.
I think the animal, like horse or cow, might die in the jungle. So this,
Ah.
where there is a meat, so they will like fly over around the sky and then they land and they eat the meat.
Wow.
What if a person will die?
Oh my
So
God.
we have like sky
Because they're
burial,
carnivorous, right?
burial because
Sky burial.
Yeah.
Okay.
So after like 200
Okay. Nice view again. What can you say?
So tiring.
So tiring? We're still not yet in Tiger's
We
Nest.
are preparing for Tiger's Nest.
Yeah.
Last day. So, I'm feeling acclimatized.
Wow.
I'm not tachycardic already.
yeah.
These are the
I'm not
vultures.
short of breath anymore.
Wow, acclimatized na.
Pwede ka na maging Bhutanese.
Business. Ano kaya hemoglobin ni Kindy, no?
Oo nga eh.
Grabe! Isip natin. Ang sarap gumawa ng study dito.
Oo, di ba? Hindi kasi nag-anim yan.
Prone nga ba silang magkaroon ng stroke? Hindi naman. Ganun ba?
Disease pala nila dito, maliban sa hindi sila umiinom. May mga tumbo.
We're here. What's this point, Kinley?
What's this?
It's a stupa here.
It's a stupa.
Just a stupa, yeah.
Ipakita mo ito.
Okay. This is the stupa.
Para sa vlog ni Jane. Sino nag-edit ng vlog mo? Ikaw?
Ako lang.
Oo, magaling yan si Jean mag-edit ng vlog.
Backbook lang.
This is the editor, the director,
And
the camera
actress.
But I'm
girl.
thinking hiring editor.
Wow, hiring! You can afford, huh?
Ganda ng zone.
Punaka.
So ano to, kuya?
This is a zone here in Punaka. Built in 1600s or something like that. So, what else did you know? About Punaka?
So what did you learn?
The first capital.
Okay,
First
okay.
capital.
Okay.
So it was inspired by a carpenter. By a boy.
So he's a wizard. So here you see the
different zodiacs.
animals. Good, nine lucky numbers and 8 different directions. So the astrologer they actually read this diagram and take out the birth chart of newly born baby, good days, bad days, everything they take out from this diagram.
From this diagram.
Yes.
So, very nice.
Further deep, like I cannot go. If I'm astrologer,
Yeah.
then I can like
Yes.
detail. I can go and then tell you, but we understand only like these animals, the direction, the good numbers. So they have like a lot of things to do, like to take a exact birth charts and all.
Yeah.
It's a heaven realms, and then to the left that's a demigod, Asur realms. So and then lower to the right that's a hungry ghost. In the middle that's a hell realm, and then to the left that's an animal realms. So we have done like as taken rebirth like millions and millions time in this wheel of samsara because of 3 main poisons. Like in the inner circle, there's 3 animals like pig, rooster, and snake. Yes, pig signifies the ignorance. So rooster, desire and lust, and then snake, anger. So these 3 main poisons actually keeps us, in like taking rebirth in this wheel of samsara again and again. So we never. That's the reason why never.
Kasi syempre ito bago. Hindi ko alam paano.
again.
There's a past,
Present, and a future Buddha. Okay? So it was shown there. Yeah.
Just like our Christianity, you know, the first.
How, and what are the 10 virtues?
Do not kill, do not steal. So like
Do
our
not
10
cheat.
commandments again.
Yeah. So those are the teachings of the Buddha.
Buddha, please.
And we are here at one of the temples. You know, oh. Ganda, oh. What have you learned? Si Anyo maraming alam eh.
Wala. Busy.
Busy. So she did not listen. Oo.
Not listening for today.
Not paying attention si ate. Ayan. Ayan.
Parang cheetah.
Hindi yung tawang yun. Ah. Ito si Jane, very busy. Nag-work pa rin habang nag-tour.